Namaste. Myself, Dr. M.V.P. Chandrasekhar Rao, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department. Single point of contact for APSSDC Skill Development Center. So APSSDC sanctioned Technical Skill Development Institute Center for our college in the year of 2017. Both APSSDC sponsored TSDI Center in collaboration with Siemens, and we have trained around 4,415 students for the last 4 years. We have trained 911 students for the academic year 2017-18, and during the 2018-19 1409 students were trained. During 1920 2,400 students got training through this skill development center, and APSSDC sanctioned 6 labs as a part of this TSDI, and we have computer-based training lab in which the students are trained in a technology called as a solid edge, and we have another lab, automotive four-wheeler. In this lab, students will be given training in four-wheeler mechanism, which includes car balancing, alignment, tire change. Student will be given demonstration on that, the engine, electrical wiring related to the four-wheeler. And we have the third lab, we name it as a automotive two-wheeler. So there the students will be given training in two-wheeler mechanism. And we have the another lab, refrigeration and air conditioning. So there we have the different types of air conditioning, and students will be given training to know about that various concepts related to the refrigeration and air conditioning. And we have the fifth lab, we name it as electrical home. So there students will learn the domestic and commercial mechanism, electrical mechanism. And if you take the domestic, students will learn house wiring, and they also learn the industrial wiring requirement and all this. And we have another lab, that is the sixth lab, agro-pharma. And all these labs were established in our skill development center of our college in the year of 2017. And there is a one third party which was nominated by APSSDC, and that company is the Design Tech. And we have the agreement of 4 years from the beginning, and all these 4 years the entire operational part wasn't taken care by the Design Tech. And recently, after completion of the agreement in the month of February 2021, so all the equipment was handed over by Design Tech to our institute as well as APSSDC. From February onwards, February of 2021, APSSDC personally involved and conducting the various activities by deputing the trainers which are recruited by the APSSDC. And totally we have 20,000 square feet area which was sponsored by our management of RVR and JC College of Engineering. And our college also provided necessary infrastructure, and equipment is sponsored by Siemens in collaboration with APSSDC. So this is one of our APSSDC Siemens lab. It is a home electrical lab. So in this lab we have trained 1329 students, and the students who came from outside of our college and we have trained our engineering college students also. And the main purpose of this lab is, students can acquire the skills, right, in house wiring and as well as some repair work. And this home electrical lab also consists of the advanced equipment like single phase motors, three phase motors, and they do that basic requirements, so wiring and all these. And once the students acquire these skills now, right, after completion of their degree, and they no need to wait for any job, they can start the self-employment, they can become a technician, and there is a huge demand outside. Lot of construction is going on, so there is a huge demand outside for the technicians. So the students who got trained in this lab now, and they will become a technicians, and they can start their own the business, right, related to this home electricals, and they can start earning now. So that is the main motto of this particular home electrical. Not only this, you take any lab which is sanctioned by APSSDC, Siemens, and every lab purpose is they wanted to impart the essential skills, right, for the students for their the better career, either to do the job or to do that self-employment. And the totally around 20,000 square feet area was provided by the management of RVR and JC College of Engineering, and the entire equipment is sponsored by APSSDC through Siemens company. So this is another lab we have, which we enter auto four-wheeler. So in this lab, students mainly trained in automotive four-wheeler, and we have this is the car. We have the lift, and all the bottom work and car fittings can be done by lifting the vehicle, and as well as we have the other equipment also. We have that vehicle axis, and as well as chassis, and we have the wheel alignment, and the component we have the wheel balancing, and we have the tire change equipment also, and this is the wheel alignment. This is a wheel alignment, computer-based alignment system we have. And apart from that, the student will also learn that electrical wiring. So this section, the student can understand that the total wiring of the four-wheeler, and as well as in this, the student can learn about the engine side, functioning, and these are the components, engine-related components we have. And student will get the idea about the compressor, AC unit, and as well as the radiator, and all these equipment is available, which is the costly equipment out of all the labs. And here student will learn we have the complete idea about the four-wheeler, from repair to as well as alignment, tire change, and balancing, everything you will learn from this particular lab. So these are the components, tools which are required to repair the vehicles, and APSDC provided this vehicle for the practice purpose, and we have that all the equipment in this particular lab. We have around 250 components in this particular automotive four-wheeler lab. So this is our third lab, automotive two-wheeler, and the student will learn the skills related to the two-wheeler. And in this lab we have trained 600 plus students, and in this lab particularly the student will learn about the two-wheeler mechanism. We have the two lifts where the bike can be lifted, and the student can see the demonstration of engine and bottom work as well as wiring. and we have all the hydraulic system. All the screws are fitted by the hydraulic kind of equipment. And here we have the student the spark plug kit, and the spark plug can be repaired with the help of this particular equipment. And as well as the two-wheeler electrical layout, and the student can learn that entire wiring system, electric wiring system in the particular two-wheeler. And similarly, we have that this is the equipment, engine oil change and lubrication oil, and we have this is the work zone. Here, student may learn how to fit the wheels and how to remove the carpet cleaning, as well as engine oil change. Everything can be done from this particular area. And then we have the engine mounting, and we have the toolkit board, and by using the necessary toolkits, you can learn that how to repair the bikes and all this. This is our fourth lab, refrigeration and air conditioning, R&AC lab. Here we have the costly equipment. In this lab, student will learn about the different kind of air conditioning machines, and they will also know about the freezer, and we have that various freezers which can be used in the domestic purpose and as well as the industrial purpose. And these freezers are also used by the some small scale industries. And we have this is the cold storage, and here student will learn about that how much temperature it is required to use in that the cold storage. And similarly we have that other cassette AC equipment, and the students will be demonstrated cassette AC machines and window AC machines, as well as we have the split AC. The student can see that all kind of equipment here, and the student also can see that storage water cooler. The last one is the storage water cooler, and we have this is the duct now. Whenever there is a centralized AC system, so the duct will be used in this particular way. And apart from that, APS-STC also provided the second-hand component, right, in order to train the students, in order to show the live demonstration, right, to assemble or to repair the equipment. This is our fifth lab. We named it as Agro-Pharma. Here students will learn the agriculture based equipment, no? And here the students, they can know about that submersible pumps, and as well as the piston pumps and monoblock pumps, as well as we have that equipment like different kind of engines, water engines, and as well as we have the cultivation equipment. And we also have the different cultivation equipment here, and we have the tractor, and also we have that the other components, what we call as the seed drilling machines. So these are the seed drilling machines, and we also have the deep cut model, and this equipment we use to train the students in the area of agriculture, and we are trying to 14 students in this lab. This is our sixth lab. We named it as a computer-based training lab, and here we have 84 systems, and we have the configuration Lenovo machines, as well as the processor is the Intel processor and Core i5, 6400 CPU, 2.7 GHz, 8 GB RAM, and all the machines have the memory 500 GB, hard disk type is DDR type, and 15.6-inch monitor. In this lab, the main purpose is the students will be trained on technology called as a solid edge. Apart from that, we trained the other students also, the school students particularly, and we have given training on that how to use the MS Office. So that is the Microsoft Word and Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and we have given training on that solid edge technology, along with that AutoCAD and Revit architecture, and all these trainings we have given in this particular lab. Around 1400 students got trained from this particular lab, and by using this particular infrastructure. We have the LCD facility, and the entire lab is air conditioned. The entire infrastructure is sponsored by our institute, and equipment is sponsored by APSSDC and Siemens. On behalf of our management and head of the department and staff of our RVR and JC College of Engineering, we are highly thankful to AP State Skill Development Corporation for identifying our institute as one of the TSDI Center, Technical Skill Development Institute Center, and providing equipment with a worth of 1.5 crore, and providing facility by deputing the master trainers in different domains. With all these efforts by the APSSDC, we are able to train around 4,500 students. The students from the different streams, polytechnic students, ITI students, engineering students, and we also trained the school children, government school children. And we have started this training activity in the mid of 2017, and we have started training aggressively in the beginning of 2018, and up to 2021 we have trained 4,500 students. There was an agreement between APSSDC as well as our institute, and there is a third party, Design Tech. So the Design Tech have taken care of operations, and Design Tech provided the trainers to train the students, and infrastructure is provided by RVR and JC College of Engineering, and the entire equipment is sponsored by APSSDC and as well as the Siemens. And the entire equipment, we have all the 6 labs, and from these 6 labs of worth of our management is kind enough to provide 20,000 square feet area for all these 6 laboratories. And there is an agreement of 4 years between Design Tech, APSSDC and RVR and JC College of Engineering. In the month of February 2021, Design Tech handed over the entire equipment to APSSDC as well as to our institute. And APSSDC started providing the trainers from that time onwards. Now we are able to train the students in collaboration with APSSDC.